Hare Krishna. Good morning and welcome all of you for our Sunday morning Bhagavad Gita class. So we have just started the 7th chapter. We completed 7.4. We'll just take a fast recap before we go ahead. Apreyam tu anyam prakritim vidyam me param jiva bhutam mahabaho yayedam dharayati jagat. This verse says, besides these, O mighty armed Arjuna, there is another superior energy of mind which comprises of 9 entities who are exploring the resources of this material inferior nature. So, what do you remember? Oh, we discussed with Bhumi Apo Anulavayu, right? Okay. You have discussed Bhumi Apo Anulavayu. We just discussed the basic of it and then the sloka. Okay. Verse number 4 is Bhumi Apo Anulavayu Khamunapati Ankar Kim में भिन्न प्रगति अष्टद. So these two verses 4 and 5. What do you get the connection and how do you understand this? First verse he is saying, no, earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intelligence and false ego are together. These 8 constitute my separate material energy. And then the next verse, Lord is saying, besides these, O mighty armed Arjuna, there is another superior energy of mind which comprises of the living entities who are exploring the resources of the material inferior nature. So how do you understand this? What do you understand this? Fast.
Is it trying to defy the Mayavati philosophy कि भाई हम लोग मरने के बाद?
No. It is, Lord is very clearly saying there are 2 energies. One is inferior energy and one is superior energy. See, please understand this whole universe, if you divide it, 1/3 is material, 2/3 is spiritual. So we are given a very small place. Material world itself is very small. So in this material, entire material, that is, आप जना तप सत्य ये सब लोग भी लेंगे ना, अगर आप वहां धरती है तो वो भी भगवान की वजह से. ऑलवेज गिव दिस एग्जांपल, ना भगवान कहाँ से मिट्टी मंगाए रहेंगे, कहाँ से वो पानी मंगाए रहेंगे, फ्रॉम वेयर विल ही ऑर्डर ऑल दैट? ही हैज टू एक्सपैंड. सो ही इज सेइंग ही इज माय एनर्जी ओनली. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ही इज सेइंग दिस अर्थ, वाटर, फायर, एयर, ईथर, ऑल दिस आर my energy, but they are material energy. They are not spiritual energy. Now what is, that's why in the next verse he is saying, besides these, iske alawa, O mighty armed Arjuna, there is another superior energy of mind. There is a superior energy of mind which comprises the living entities. That is the Jivatma. He is superior. But see the idioticity of the superior energy, who is exploiting the resources of this material inferior nature. We are busy exploiting this inferior energy. हम लोग यहाँ पे आज भी हम लोग यहाँ बैठ के क्या कर रहे हैं? Oh, what will I eat? What will I enjoy? How will I go and dance in the evening? Where will I go and do some purchasing? What I will do? All these thoughts are there. So we are trying to explore क्या? Inferior energy. And what are we actually?
Superior.
So we are superior, but we are happy with something inferior. It's like an old filmy story, in those days the plot used to be very common. राजा का लड़का राजकुमार बचपन में उसको कोई चुरा के लेके चला एंड पूरा जिंदगी वो किसी गरीब के घर पे पड़ता है. ठीक है, वो टिपिकल हिंदी स्टोरी, वो निशानी रहती है या ताबीज रहता है या समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. बट इन द एंड ऑफ द मूवी व्हाट हैपेंस? द किंग रियलाइजेस दैट ही इज द एक्चुअल हेयर, ही इज द राजकुमार एंड ही शुड बी गिवन द throne. So actually who is he? He is a superior, he is a prince. But right now he is in a inferior, poverty stricken place. He belongs to the kingdom. He belongs to be the king. ऐश्वर्य में जीना चाहिए उसको, but where is he living? He is living in the inferior. So, same way. I'm just giving a very crude example for you to understand this. हम लोग भी राजकुमार. We are all राजकुमार. किसके राजकुमार? उस भगवान. We are all superior energy of the Lord. But the tragedy is, we are happy in the. We are not wanting to go back to the spiritual world. We are happy in this material world. खुशी है यहाँ पे. अच्छा है प्रभु, मस्त पिज्जा मिलता है, मोमो मिलता है, हाँ सुशी मिलता है, ये मिलता है, वो मिलता है. We are happy in this and we don't want to go back because we are happy with this meager, what do you say, not worthy happinesses को लेके हम लोग बैठे, which are basically tingling of the senses. All the happinesses which are there, which we are experiencing, so-called happiness, is tingling of the senses. Tickling of the senses, like, बच्चे को आप, you catch a child, tickle in the leg, the child starts laughing. Is it actual happiness? It just giggles. No, for 2 minutes, he giggle कर that. But then, we misunderstand that to be happiness. So, the child says, again, tickle me, I'll be laughing. Is it making sense? And that's what we are doing through our senses. I like Italian, I like Chinese, I like Mexican, I like this, I like that. And then with those you get a nice tickling sensation just for a few minutes or for some time. Be it be a movie, be it be a discotheque, be it be anything. And the problem is, people with knowledge, when they are accompanied with people without knowledge, वो लोग भारी पड़ जाते हैं. People with knowledge tend to lose the knowledge because the person who is ignorant, he tries to tell you, you are getting an immediate tickling and sensation, why don't you take it? देखेंगे जब मरने के बाद तुम जाने का बात कर रहा ना, तब का तब देखेंगे. But Lord says, how foolish. ये मेरा 5 भूमि, आपो, अनलो, वायु, कम, मनो, बुद्धि, all these, even मन, बुद्धि also is material. That is also not spiritual. मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, भगवान भगवदगीता में भगवान कह रहे हैं. तो ये मन, बुद्धि, अहंकार सब जो है वो भी भौतिक मटेरियल, और उसको हम समझ रहे हैं by using these all these ingredients are given to achieve something, and we are using the same ingredient to achieve something nonsense. The best part, it's like let's say there is a master chef, that master chef होता है ना शो, उसमें let's say cooking show, and उसमें आपको all ingredients are given, nice cocoa and baking soda and flour and all, and you are supposed to make a cake, but you say, no sir, I like dokla very much. Now I will use these ingredients and I will make dokla out of it. Fine, nobody can stop you, but what are you supposed to do? For that, the required ingredients are given. With this mind, with this intelligence, with this ego, with this earth, water, fire, air, ether, are the ingredients given to you to achieve something higher, and you are happy making dokla. What's the use? So please understand that the Lord is again and again repeatedly telling that we are supposed to acquire something superior energy, because we are superior. First and foremost, please understand, हम खुद material energy नहीं है, इस शरीर में है जो material है, but हम बाहर के हैं. We are spiritual, and spiritual energy is higher because it's a fragmental part of the Lord Himself. The problem why it is becoming difficult to understand is, we think this body is all in all. We are not understanding, घर में your wife or your mother cooks nice pakoras and puts it in a casserole, keeps it. Now, what is the actual thing which you are interested in? The casserole or the pakora? Just imagine you start eating the casserole itself, thinking that it's having pakora inside, but we are able to differentiate. No, that is the substance of importance. ये काम का चीज है, ये कैसरोल काम का चीज नहीं है, इसको खाया नहीं जाता. बट जब हम खुद इस शरीर में हैं, हम खुद हमारे शरीर में, यस, हम शरीर नहीं है, हम आत्मा है. आत्मा इस शरीर के अंदर है और इस शरीर में रहते हुए हम अपने आप को ही शरीर मानने लगते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू कंसिडर योरसेल्फ inferior, all inferior energies, material energies will seem to be apt and liked by you. आपको लगेगा यही सही है, this is correct, this is what I am liking, this is what I meant for me, because I am material, I am body, so body likes pizza, pasta, Baba Ji, I'll eat that. Eat. To sustain you got to eat. I am not denying one should not eat, but the goal of life is not material things, it is going to be spiritual. And by default, again, what is Lord saying? Who is exploiting the resources of the material energy? Who is exploiting means what? It does not belong to him, but he is exploiting. Exploiting means by force you are taking from someone. No, I am exploiting you means what? I am not supposed to take, but I am taking. And then another understanding we have got to understand is, हम ये करते करते चलो, but in the process of doing this, you come across with some let's say scripture, like Bhagavad Gita. You come to some Bhagavad Gita course, and there you understand, no, this is not correct. I am spiritual, I am not material, I am spiritual. This body is material, जो मुझे एंड में मृत्यु के समय छोड़ के जाना है. जब ये बात समझ में आती है, तब आप क्या करोगे? What do you do? You start the spiritual path. और उसका स्टार्टिंग कैसे किससे होता है? चलो, गुरु आ गया, गुरु ही बताया आपको बताया कि spiritual, then what do you want to do? The process of chanting starts, right? And why we don't like chanting? Chanting starts, then I have to please chant, make करना पड़ता है. Why people don't like chanting? Because even that is Parashakti. Para means superior energy. Lord is Satchit Anand. Lord in the Swarupa of his name, in the Swarupa of his Leela, Guna, his personal Swarup, in all Swarupa, it is superior. Amitabh Bachchan's car is as worshipable as himself. Why? His maid servant also, his driver also. Why? Just because he is associated with the great personality. Or let's say Mr. Modi's car, Mr. Modi's personal assistant, he is also great. Why? He is associated with the great person. Similarly, whenever the name, the activity, the leelas are associated with the supreme, it also becomes superior energy. लोग अक्सर पूछते हैं, प्रभु जी नाम लेने से क्या हो? नाम लेने से बहुत कुछ हो. सबसे बड़ा चीज क्या हो? कि नाम लेने से आप भगवान के साथ जुड़ने लगोगे. You are doing something spiritual. So the purpose of giving this 8 भिन्न अष्टदा 8 energies जो दिया है, भूमि, आप, लो, वायु, खम, मनो, बुद्धि, अहंकार, ये सब देके करना क्या है? भगवान ने क्यों दिया है? जब हम स्पिरिचुअल है, we are happy, we could have stayed happily in the spiritual world. What is the need for us? Not is the need for God to give us all this. Tell me.
Utilize it and go back.
Utilize it and go back. But what are you going to utilize? Earth cannot be utilized, fire cannot be utilized. Huh? So you have to use all these various ingredients. That are coming back to the same example. You are saying the master chef. So right from the gas to the oven to the ingredients to the salt to everything has to be given to you. So Lord has given calculatively, अहंकार भी दिया है, मन भी दिया है, बुद्धि भी दिया है. क्यों? अच्छा, ये सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स दिया, बुद्धि ही नहीं है, कैसे करो? आपको मास्टर शेफ का इसमें बैठा दिया है, आपके सामने सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, बट बुद्धि ही नहीं है, हाउ टू कुक. कभी जिंदगी में कुक नहीं किया, मैं कैसे कुक करेगा? सो यू नीड टू हैव इंटेलिजेंस. सो गॉड हैज गिवन इंटेलिजेंस. मन भी दिया है. मन क्यों दिया? मन होगा तो करेंगे ना. कोई बुद्धि कुछ करता नहीं, करवाता क्या है? मन इज द मेन ड्राइविंग फोर्स. इज मन. What is the function of the mind? What is the job of the mind? Application. Thinking, willing and feeling. ये तीन चीज मन का काम है, याद रखना. Thinking, willing and feeling. So unless until you don't think, you cannot will. You think of a car, then you will for buying a car. You think of a phone, you think of a watch, you think of a dress, you think of a goggles, you think of anything. When you think, you will to acquire it. And when you will to acquire it, then you put forth your application to the intelligence. मन ने इच्छा किया, बट आएगा कहां से? I am trying to give an example which will be, because quite a lot of people are new who don't know what I am talking about. Will be going bumper. Yes, माता जी, आपको क्या लगता है? मन का कार्य क्या है? हम मन के वश में नहीं होते, हम अपने मन के वश में चले जाते हैं. हाँ, बट मन का कार्य क्या है? छोड़ तो नहीं सकते हैं मन को, साथ में लेके घूमते हैं हम तो मन का कार्य क्या है? यस मदर, सोचना, सोचते रहते हैं. आई जस्ट नाउ मेंशन 2 मिनट पहले, थिंकिंग, विलिंग एंड फीलिंग. सोचना, इच्छा प्रकट करना और फिर महसूस करना. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो ये सब जॉब ऑफ द माइंड. अगर इस पूरी प्रक्रिया को समझोगे, एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूं. अभी पहले लेट्स से हम अभी के बच्चों के, अभी जमाने के बच्चों की बात अलग है. हम जब छोटे थे तब सिस्टम ये था, अगर कुछ चाहिए था मुझे, तो हम पहले एप्लीकेशन मम्मी को डालेंगे, माँ के पास जाके एप्लीकेशन डालेंगे, मम्मा मुझे ये चाहिए. फिर मम्मी बोलेगी ठीक है, विल कंसिडर. फिर अच्छा मूड, पिताजी का अच्छा मूड देख के उस एप्लीकेशन को आगे माँ प्रेजेंट करेंगे. फिर कुछ डिबेट्स के बाद इस पे एक मोहर लगता है, यस अप्रूव्ड या रिजेक्टेड, दोनों में से. लेट्स से अप्रूव्ड लग गया. और अप्रूव्ड लगने के बाद भी तुरंत आपको मिलने वाला नहीं. अप्रूव्ड लगने के बाद भी तुरंत मिलने वाला है, तो टाइम लगता है. जब एक्चुअल your karmas fructify, you will get that. So the bottom line is, simple understanding is क्या है? मन puts an application to the intelligence. It puts an application कि भाई चलो आइसक्रीम खाते हैं. मन ने इच्छा किया आइसक्रीम खाने का, तो अपने बुद्धि को बोला अरे चलो पैसा निकालो, जाना है आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए. फिर इंटेलिजेंस बोलता है पागल है क्या, कल एग्जाम है, हाँ खाएगा तो गला खराब हो जाएगा, बुखार आ जाएगा, या कल गाने का प्रैक्टिस है, जो भी हो. फिर मन बोलेगा नहीं 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 कुछ नहीं हुआ, एक आइसक्रीम में कुछ नहीं. फाइट होता है, मन और बुद्धि में फाइट हो रहा है. मन बोलता है कुछ नहीं हुआ, एक आइसक्रीम से कुछ नहीं हुआ, होना है तो होगा, देखें. बिना खाए कितना बार बीमार पड़ जाए, खा के बीमार पड़ा तो क्या है. फिर बुद्धि बोलते हैं नहीं नहीं महीने का आखिरी चल रहा है, लास्ट वीक वो तंगी है, अब नहीं खा सकते, पैसा नहीं है. अरे यार वो एक्स्ट्रा पैसा रखा है ना, उसको इस्तेमाल कर लो. मन बोलता है वो रिजर्व में रखा है ना थोड़ा पैसा, उसमें से एक आइसक्रीम तो खा रहे हैं, कौन सा ये खा रहे हैं. फिर बुद्धि बोलते हैं नहीं, नॉट गुड, आप पुट ऑन कर रहे हो, पूजा ज्यादा बॉडी बढ़ रहा है आपका, बहुत मोटे हो रहे हो, कैलोरीज ज्यादा आइसक्रीम में तो आइसक्रीम मत। ये सब वॉर 1 मिनट में हो जाता है दिमाग में। विद इन 1 मिनट, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड्स, दिस एंटायर वॉर बिटवीन द माइंड एंड इंटेलिजेंस हैपेंस। और उसके बाद what happens? Either it will be accepted or rejected. Let's say it is rejected. Accepted is story khatam. You go to the store, buy your ice cream and you eat it. Let's say the mind rejects. It's not fit for you. Please don't eat. Then what will be your thing? Mind शांत हो जाएगा.
He will think other
ऐसे वाला ठीक है, आइसक्रीम नहीं खाता, चलो आइसक्रीम में कोल्ड है ना, केक खत्म, पेस्ट्री खत्म, आई टेक स्मॉल पेस्ट्री पीस। अगेन माइंड इंटेलिजेंस बोलेगा मोटा हो जाएगा, कैलोरीज ज्यादा है, प्रोसेस्ड फूड है, मत खाओ। वो भी नहीं खा सकते, ठीक है, फिर क्या खाऊं? स्प्राइट, एक कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी लेता हूं। माइंड इज गोइंग ऑन पुटिंग एप्लीकेशंस, एक एप्लीकेशन पे दूसरा एप्लीकेशन, तीसरा एप्लीकेशन। क्यों? बिकॉज इंटेलिजेंस इज rejecting it. Please understand, it's very important to understand the conflict between the mind and intelligence. The mind keeps on putting application. Let me eat this, let me eat that, let me have this. The same applies with buying a car, buying a mobile, buying this, buying that. Why there is so much of confusion when you go to the shop to buy a dress or a sari or generally a cloth? Options ज़्यादा है, very good. So you got to choose from an array of things. What else? What do you feel, Prabhu? Why there is so much of brainstorming happening? You know, you get tired when you come back from a shopping. You know that?
Yes.
Because you're mentally tired, not physically tired. You are sitting in an AC shop nicely, not having any physical strain, but the mental strain is
Mind is over.
overworking. What are the things, points or things on which the mind works through when you are in the shop?
Variety and budget.
Variety and budget. That's the nature of a person. Okay, variety and budget. More than that.
दूसरे लोग क्या बोले?
Yes.
Before you take up any dress in your hand, the first thought that comes in, will this burn the other person? क्या उसका दिल जलेगा? No, I know we have that word, na? Put the floor on fire. What do you mean put the floor on fire? Put the other people on fire. दूसरे के जलन में हमारी खुशी है, right? That's the first thing which clicks, you know. Oh, this is like, oh, he has already got this type of dress. Oh, this so and so has already got this type of dress. My dress has to be unique. My dress has to be saying, of course, budget friendly also, and at the same time. It should be something out of the world, and everyone comes out of the shop buying something with thinking that it is out of the world, very much made in this world, or worldly things, and rejected by the earlier customer. That is the best part. What you have taken is something which is rejected by the previous customer. So please understand, this is what the mind and intelligence is always at war. मन और बुद्धि हमेशा युद्ध की पोजीशन पे रहते हैं, बिकॉज मन और बुद्धि कभी भी एक दूसरे को एट वन पॉइंट दे विल नेवर कम टू अ व्हाट यू से म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग में कभी नहीं आएंगे। मन कुछ बोलेगा, बुद्धि कुछ और, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिकली योर इंटेलिजेंस थिंग्स प्रैक्टिकली, मन थिंग्स इम्प्रैक्टिकल, टोटली इम्प्रैक्टिकल. इट वांट्स समथिंग विच इज नॉट प्रैक्टिकल. बैठे बैठे पैसा आएगा ना, नेपेंसी रोड में कर यार इधर पैसा, मतलब what dream world we are in. Why? Because we have considered ourselves as a product of this earth, as a product of this inferior energy, and that is why we are stuck to this. And what is Lord saying again in this verse? You are superior, Baba, you are not inferior. You are supposed to think for superior elevations. But we are stuck to this material elevations. खुश है हम लोग, खुश है बस. मेरा एक पार्ला में घर होना चाहिए, एक इधर ना वालकेश्वर में होना चाहिए, इधर होना चाहिए, पसीरी में होना चाहिए, ये हाँ 10 घर होना चाहिए, गांव में लैंड होना चाहिए, ये what are you going to take? What was there before the creation and what is going to remain after creation? Zero. Even this entire creation is going to be dissolved. And during the Mahapralay, everything will be dissolved and a new creation will be created. So what is the purpose of why is Lord again and again telling you are exploiting something inferior? You are supposed to exploit something higher, superior. And for going for something superior, what is the first thing we need to do?
Have association.
Perfect. Have association, but there's a small change. Have association with people who are searching for superior things. The problem is we get mesmerized or influenced very easily. Suppose I am always sitting with a share market person. Let's see. Even I may be a person who doesn't want to invest in share market. But since I am associated with that person, day in and day out, listening to his talks, one day or the other I will be seduced to invest in that or go in that path. Bound to be, but natural. Suppose I am with some dancer, I will be seduced to do some dancing or in that allied field. I am with some, let's say, a nice education. That's why generally parents क्यों बच्चों को बोलते हैं बेटा अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चों के साथ रहना? क्यों? Means indirectly everyone knows this. Inherently you don't have to come to any Bhagavad Gita class to learn this. बराबर कि नहीं? You have to come to any Bhagavad Gita class. By default, our parents used to say, don't sit with those backbenchers. Sit with the front benchers so that you will also go, and they will also compare your marks with them only. And we will compare ourselves with the last bench people. Hey, that fellow, my friend, he got only 35. I got 40. He will feel proud about it. And fact hai. And we will ask, what did that boy get? 80. He got 80. You got only 40. At least you could have got 60 or 70. No. So it's all comparison. Comparison with what? Something higher. So what matters most is your company. Now here's the catch to this. You will say, sir, catch, right? I am working in one office where I am in touch with X type of people, X field people. You have to associate. You have no choice because that's your bread, butter, jam, cheese, whatever you call it. But you have to be associated only to a limit. That limit you have to set. That limit you have to set. No one else can set up for you, and you are mature enough now. With this knowledge, how will you fight this? This lurings, various lurings. We are lured. आपको खींच रहा है. Let's do nonsense. आप बोलेंगे, let me drink, let me smoke, let me do that, let me do this. ये सब खींच रहे हैं. तो आप इसको लड़ोगे कैसे? कैसे युद्ध लड़ोगे?
Intelligence strong. What use?
शास्त्र से कहता है ज्ञान के तलवार से. You have to fight with the sword of knowledge. With the sword of knowledge, you also got to fight. No, I will not. He is attacking with the sword, you also attack with the sword. But your sword should be of knowledge. So clarity. Yes, at any cost, I will not involve myself in inferior things. Mind you, now you understand why mediating, intoxication, illicit sex, gambling, all involving in dirty activities. Why it is bad? It is something inferior and you are superior, so you have to involve in superior activities. अच्छे कार्य में आपको अपने आप को उलझाना है. सीधा भक्ति में नहीं जा सकते हो, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं, धाम में जाओ. ट्रैवल टू वेरियस स्पिरिचुअल प्लेसेस ऑफ पिलग्रिमेज. फिर धीरे धीरे भगवान का नाम जपो. भगवान का नाम जपना अल्टीमेट नहीं है, बट जरूरी. There is a very beautiful story of Bhaktamal. I'll tell you the story of Bhaktamal. Very nice story. Once, few traders, कुछ व्यापारी नाव में जा रहे थे. They were going once near South India. So everyone was traveling. Suddenly a big storm came in the sea, and the boat started dancing here and there. They all were afraid. What is happening? What will happen? We सब मरने वाले हैं. All prepared to die. And you know, in boat, many people are there. Means many types of brains are there. So one person said to the captain, "Captain, समुंदर बलि मांग रहा है." It's a common thinking, thought process in India, right? कि you know बलि मांग रहा है, तो हम अगर बलि देंगे तो शांत हो जाएगा, हम बचेंगे. बलि किसको दे? किसका? That is the next question. अभी मरता करता क्या नहीं, सब करेगा ना. मरने वाला आदमी सब ट्राई करेगा. हाँ देखे, चलो बलि देके ट्राई करते हैं, बच गए तो बच गए. तो इन दैट बोट एक अपाहिज आदमी था. He could not walk. So it's a story of Kali Yuga, okay? I'm not telling you of some Satyuga or Treta Yuga. तो they said, देखो सब मरने वाले हैं, ये सबसे कमजोर आदमी यही है, इसको उठा के पानी में डाल दो. हाँ, बलि चढ़ गया, बच गए तो बच गए, नहीं तो ऐसा भी वो मरने वाला ही है हमारे साथ. So it doesn't make any difference. ये मुझे मेरा क्या कसूर है, तुम लोग में से कोई कूदो ना, मेरे को क्यों फेंक है? नहीं. एंड दैट्स वाई शास्त्र का एक सिद्धांत है. कभी कोई आपने देखा हो बकरी का बलि चढ़ता है, शेर का कभी बलि चढ़ता है? क्यों? शेर उसको ही खा जाएगा, उसको ही बलि चढ़ा देगा. मीन्स व्हाट? बलि हमेशा कमजोर की चढ़ती. बलि हमेशा किसकी चलती है? कमजोर की चढ़ती. तो चलो ना, अभी डिसाइड कर लिया, अभी आई हैव टू सेव दिस बोट, करके पानी में फेंक. एंड दैट फेलो आल्सो डिड नॉट डाई इमीडिएटली. इट वाज throwing, it was stormy, water was throwing, he was up and then down in the water, and he became unconscious in a few minutes. And after some time, when he opened his eyes, he realized he was alive, and he reached a different place. He reached Lanka. Now let me give you a small understanding. The Lanka, what we are knowing as per the geography, Sri Lanka, as per Shastra, it is called as Singaldeep. It is called as Singaldeep. Dweep means island, Singal means it's called as Singaldeep. Lanka is something like, if you go to Badrinath, there is a place called, there is a third thing which is going towards Kuber's world. कुबेर का जो अलकापुरी, उसके तरफ जाता है. And that comes under the fourth dimension. We know only 3 dimensions, but that comes under the 4th dimension. There are total 32 dimensions. 32 dimensions है total. आपने को ये सब without materialize अपना एक limitations. तो many of you must not be knowing Lanka, basically the original Lanka. हमको क्या सुने? सोने की लंका, राइट? वो सोने की लंका कैसे हुई? एनी आइडिया? ड्यूरिंग द समुद्र मंथन, a part of the Sumeru पर्वत, which is the मेरू पर्वत is gold, उसका एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा टूट के गिर गया. छोटा सा टुकड़ा इतना बड़ा होता पर्वत है. सुमेरु पर्वत जो है, जो मेरू पर्वत है, इट इज ह्यूज. उसमें से छोटा सा टुकड़ा गिर गया, एंड दैट इट इज like a small stone or a rock falling from there, but that was as big as a dweep to the material world. So wahan, this place is called as Lanka. So these fellow reached that Lanka. भगवान की कृपा. So all those Lanka vasis, they saw, ये क्या है भाई, कलयुग का कौन है? So we are, कलयुग प्राणीज are like Lilliputs, छोटे छोटे. Treta Yuga people were all giant, huge. Now we will be going to Chitrakoot. वहाँ पे स्फटिक शिला है, और स्फटिक शिला में रामचंद्र जी के चरण चिन्ह है. Okay, and that is this big, huh? 1 full hand length you can say. इतना बड़ा चरण चिन्ह. So from that you can calculate how tall Rama would have been, or in that yuga those people would have been.
तो ये चरण घाटी पे भी,
हाँ?
चरण घाटी पे भी है ना वृंदावन में.
हाँ. So it's all huge. Even if you see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's footprints were also huge. So the bottom line was Treta, they were all Treta people, so they saw all jumbo people. टॉय जैसा था, खिलौने जैसा था, उसको उठा के डाले ना, लाइक गलिवर्स ट्रैवल्स, वी हैव हर्ड ऑफ दैट, समथिंग लाइक दैट. So they put them in a small basket and they took him to Vibhishan, and Vibhishan को दिखा दिया. Vibhishan, ये देखो कुछ, ये asked भाई कौन हो, कहाँ से आए हो, वो लोग का भाषा समझ में नहीं आ रहा, trying to communicate. And finally he said, oh, you have come from Bharatvarsha, the place where my Lord Rama is there, who had taken birth. So you are also equally worshipable for me. Immediately, Vibhishan touched him, and by his very touch, his leg became all right. Then immediately he said, see, he has come from my land where my Lord is. So please, अच्छी तरह से इसका अभिषेक करो, हार वार पहनाओ, पूजा करो. तो सब लोगों ने उसको हार पहनाया, छोटा सा हार, उनके साइज के सबसे छोटा सा हार, कुछ छोटा सा भोग, जैसा हम लोग लड्डू गोपाल को देते हैं. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई इतना छोटा कटोरी, खुद तो इतना छोटा कटोरी में सूंघता भी नहीं है, भगवान को भोग लगाते हो तो इतना माइक्रो, अच्छा बनता भी है कटोरी इतना साइज का बड़ा, small, just one, not even one thumb will go inside that. ठीक है, whatever it is, offered him food and all. Now this fellow started crying. अभी हार वार पहना है बलि, अभी हार वार पहना है मतलब अभी मेरा बलि चढ़ने वाला है. तभी बलि को सभी लोग खिला पिला के मारते हैं ना, कई जातियों में, प्रजातियों में खिला पिला के मारते हैं. तो ये लोग खिला रहे हैं मुझे, अच्छे से पूजा पाठ करेंगे, आप मेरा रो रहा है. बट Vibhishan did not have any intention. He was just glorifying him because he come from the land of Rama, my Lord. And he saw him, he is very sad. So what happened? Why you are sad? Please somehow drop me back. I want to go back to my country. I want to go back. He said, Arey, it's my durbhagya. You have come here. I thought I will, भगवान ना सही मगर भगवान के देश से कोई आया है, उसका मैं पूजा करूंगा. ठीक है, आपको जाना है. Then he called his ministers, said, give him nice gifts. So what did he give them? Diamonds, pearls, all valuable things, whatever you call valuable as per the material terminologies. But actual terminology, all this is nothing but stones. A black stone is of no value, but a diamond is also a stone, but it has got value. Iron is also metal, but gold has got very much value. क्या आज रेट क्या चल रहा है? It's very costly, right? So the point what I'm trying to say is, all these are material energies. हम लोग उसको अलग अलग कर दिए, वो बात अलग है, but they are all material energies. So finally, now we gave him all the packages of gold, this and that, and now how to go. The problem was how to go. He is wondering कैसे जाऊंगा मैं वापस. तो एक काम किया, उसको उन्होंने एक तुलसी का पत्ता लिया और उस पर जय श्री राम लिख दिया. तो जब राम नाम से पत्थर तर सकते हैं, बड़े बड़े जीवात्मा तर सकते हैं, तो ये क्यों नहीं तरेगा. लिख दिया, उसके पगड़ी में फिट कर, पगड़ी के अंदर डाल दिया. तो बोला जाओ. He was carrying the luggage and he was walking. And he could walk on the water. Not only walk, now he was all right. So he was literally running on the water. Started going. But after he went for some time, there he saw the same boat. The same boat people had thrown him, na? That boat was also saved. So वो boat भी जा रहा है. वो लोग बोला ये तो बच गया. इसको बेटा फेंका था, हम लोग बच गए और टांग वांग भी ठीक हो गया इसका। हाँ, अरे ले लो, आ जाओ ऊपर आ जाओ ऊपर आ जाओ। तो सीढ़ी वीढ़ी डाल के उसको ऊपर ले लिया, ऊपर लिया और asked him what happened. He was a clean-hearted person, so he told whatever had happened, all that he described. After he had described, became very, no, the people were wondering, अरे अब ऐसा भी इसको पानी में फेंका था, वापस फेंक देते, but this time he will take away his gold, gems and all that bundles of nice precious stones he is having. He will take it and we will throw him in the water again. But this time this fellow became smart. He said, you all don't want me, you all want my possessions. Why should I give you? You throw me in the water, I myself will jump in the water. So he took the bundles and jumped in the water and walked back. When he reached the shore, that was the first time when he opened the bundle and he saw क्या क्या था, लिस्ट निकाला। हाँ, 1 किलो का हीरा है, 2 किलो का है, हम लोग कैरेट्स में गिनते हो, किलो में गिना। हाँ, किलो में हम गिन के लिस्ट बनाया। बोला ये पगड़ी में क्या रखा है, लेट मी सी दैट। तो he removed his पगड़ी and that he saw the तुलसी पत्र जिस पे लिखा था जय श्री राम। There he realized what a fool I am. I have gone there, I have been given the name, holy name, which has given me the power to walk over and reach my destination, but I have been busy carrying this weight. Immediately called all the brahmanas, said, please take all this. He distributed all his wealth and he sat down chanting the name of the Lord. He said, this is the actual wealth which I can carry with me. These wealth anyhow I have to leave and go. And this is a true story of Kali Yuga, and this is mentioned by Priyadas ji in Bhaktimarg. So, point what I am trying to tell over here is, please, we have to understand one thing, that this context is superior and inferior energy. But something is inferior means what? Is it not the energy of the Lord?
It is.
It is the energy of the Lord. So we have to respect it, but we don't have to achieve it. Right? Now you all are having, let's say, X brands of phones you all are having. But don't you plan to achieve something higher, something superior, what we call as better model or the latest model? What do we plan? We plan for something superior. So the most superior thing which a person can plan to get in this material world is spiritual knowledge, आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान। आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान के साथ भगवत नाम, भगवान का नाम जपना, भगवान का सेवा करना, भगवान का गुण लीला सुनना और भगवान का सेवा करना। These are the main goal of a human life, and these 8 ingredients given are to be used for that. These 8 ingredients what are given are to be used for that. Your 5 basic elements with which your body is made, with these 5 elements will not work without man, buddhi, ahankar, and of course the spiritual energy and the Supreme Lord who is present as Paramatma in each and every jiva. But Lord as Paramatma is sitting and just witnessing. It is like, give an example in Shastra. जैसे एक पेड़ में 2 पक्षी बैठे हो, एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं। एक पक्षी एक फल को खा रहा है और दूसरा पक्षी देख रहा है। फल खाता हुआ पक्षी कौन है? आत्मा, जीव। एंड देखने वाला पक्षी कौन है? परमात्मा। बोथ आर सुपीरियर एनर्जी। भगवान का अंश है और एक भगवान स्वयं है। बट भगवान देख रहे हैं, अच्छा ये फल खाने में ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड है, ना कि मुझे पाने। सो कहीं भी शास्त्र में लिखा नहीं है भूखा रहो प्यासा रहो, ये तो कहीं लिखा नहीं, खाना है। You also have nice prasadam after the class, but what is the purpose? That should not be the only goal of life. मैंने कल के क्लास में बताया था, अन्नमय कोश से स्टार्ट होता है। अन्नमय कोश में अटके नहीं रहना है। लोग अक्सर अन्नमय कोश में अटक जाते हैं। अन्नमय, प्राण में, ज्ञान में, विज्ञान में, आनंद 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 तक जाना है। तो यू हैव टू ट्रांसिट टू दिस वेरियस कोशेस। आपको जाना है, आगे आगे बढ़ना है, तो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट एग्जिट आउट ऑफ दिस अन्नमय कोश। अन्नमय कोश से बाहर निकलना। अन्नमय कोश से बाहर निकलना मतलब कई लोगों का गोल ये रहता, सुबह का खाना खाते हो, रात को क्या खाएंगे। गृहस्थ को तो प्रॉब्लम होता है, स्पेशली माता जी को होता है, फिर रात को क्या खाना बनाना है। हाँ, वो भी एक एक आदमी का टेस्ट घर पे अलग अलग होता है। तो ना लेडी ऑफ द हाउस इज ऑलवेज लाइक टेंशन में रहता है। सो दैट्स ओके, बट व्हाट आई मीन टू से इज वन शुड नॉट बी ओनली प्लानिंग फॉर दैट। मैंने आज कौन सा अध्याय पढ़ा है और आज कौन सा अध्याय पढ़ना है। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर ऑनेस्टली टेल मी इन दिस 10 days गैप, नहीं 15 days गैप, 2 हफ्ता तो क्लास नहीं हुई, 15 दिन में आप लोगों ने भगवत गीता खोला और पढ़ा। और अपेक्षा ने पढ़ा, 2 बीच में से हाँ पढ़ा, ओके। और बाकी लोग व्हाट आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग? प्रभु जी आएंगे, क्लास लेंगे। Why no one is reading? Why is it that you are expecting only in school what will be taught? Is that enough? Don't you come home and study, do your homework? Please understand, this itself shows that you are still not inclined in achieving your goal. अगर आपको आपका जीवन का लक्ष्य क्या होना चाहिए? भगवान प्राप्ति, भगवत प्राप्ति अपना जीवन का लक्ष्य होना चाहिए। और अगर आपका जीवन का लक्ष्य प्राप्त करने के बारे में आप रियली सीरियस हैं, यू आर सीरियस अबाउट इट, द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज ओपन द बुक एंड रीड। जस्ट इमेजिन डॉक्टर साहब, आई जॉइन द मेडिकल कोर्स एंड आई डोंट रीड द बुक्स, आई ओनली अटेंड द कॉलेज, जो भी क्लास में सिखा दिया बस उसी के भरोसे पे क्या हम डॉक्टर बन सकेंगे, हम इंजीनियर बन सकेंगे? कुछ भी, कोई भी जीवन का मतलब, इवन भी फैशन डिजाइनर भी बनना है या व्हाट यू से आईटी प्रोफेशनल बनना है, कोई भी बनना है, इज इट पॉसिबल? सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा, तो थियरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल बीच में तालमेल भी लाना पड़ेगा। सो अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू ऑल डोंट पुट सम एफर्ट्स ड्यूरिंग द क्लास और ड्यूरिंग द वीक, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट संडे टू संडे, जैसे जुम्मा टू जुम्मा नहीं चलेगा। हाँ, you all have to put your efforts and study, put your efforts and chant. आप लोगों को भगवान का नाम आपको ही लेना पड़ेगा। इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी एक एक घर पे जाके आपने नाम लिया, आपने नाम लिया, आपने नाम लिया। आई कांट गो एंड आस्क ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल पर्सनली, एंड इट इज योर पर्सनल जर्नी, माइंड यू, इट्स नॉट माई जर्नी, इट्स योर जर्नी। जाना आपको है तो प्रयास आपको ही करना पड़ेगा। जैसे डॉक्टर लोग भी इंजेक्शन दे देते हैं, बाद में बोलते हैं आप लेट द पेशेंट रिएक्ट टू द मेडिसिन और रेस्पॉन्ड टू द मेडिसिन, इसके ऊपर और कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं। सिमिलरली एज अ टीचर आई कैन ओनली guide your rest to accept that guidance and modify your life in which you balance your both material as well as spiritual life. I have never said relinquish your material life. We are material, living in this material world. We cannot relinquish. We are eating material food, we are taking material air, we are drinking material water. So nothing can be relinquished forever. But yes, you have to strike a balance. And that is what God is trying to say. How foolish that we are busy exploiting the material energy. और उसी में आनंद ले रहे हैं. What आनंद, क्या आनंद लेंगे? What happiness can you draw? Let's say someone likes a special sweet. Always I tell 4 times, 5 times, 6 times you will eat that sweet. Then you will get bored with it. In this material world, everything is boring. You know that? Because everything is repetitive. Up, you go to a flight. First day, when a first time he goes for a flight, is excited. after seeing Air India? You'll be excited? Over and above. First flight, second flight, third flight, सब ठीक है. And every time, if he is intelligent, you will understand. जैसे टेक ऑफ रनवे में आ जाएगा तब जाके बोलेंगे आगे 2 द्वार पीछे 2 द्वार. पहले नहीं बोलेंगे. कूदते सकते थे, अभी कहाँ कूदेंगे टेक ऑफ पे. So this is intelligence. Please try to get your knowledge very clear. कि बाबा टेक ऑफ is guaranteed. Landing is not guaranteed. Okay. So this is the bottom. That's what the crux of the entire demo is. What the entire demo का crux क्या है? Take off guaranteed. In that anything can happen, and it is left to you how you touch down. It depends on your fate how you will touch down. Still, if someone is taking pleasure in that, you travel. That's okay. As a travel component, you can use. Life is risk at any way. Train, bus, road, walking, anywhere. Death can come at any time, any place. Yamraj can come. You know, there was a nice joke. Once, one knowledgeable person was there. He took out his horoscope. He was an astrologer also. Very knowledgeable person. He found out. He drew the horoscope and he realized, my God, I'm going to die in 1 week. I'm sorry, 1 month. 1 महीने में मरने वाला हूँ. So let me do something by which I can save myself. Immediately thought, क्या idea? What is the way I come out of it? He thought of a plan. He made identical 5 people like him. एकदम आइडेंटिकल, मतलब कोई चेंज नहीं. एंड ऑल 5 आर लुकिंग आइडेंटिकल. गुड कारीगर था तो बना लिया 5. एंड द डे मरना था, he went and sat beside those 5 idols. So there were 6 idols in line. Now Yamraj came. Now Yamraj is also confused. So he knew, but he was confused. 5 के 5 आइडेंटिकल बनाया है, ठीक है. Yamaraj smiled, laughed loudly, and he said, very intelligent person, very intelligent, nice person. इतना perfectly बनाया है, I have to really appreciate that person. जो आदमी जिसका था, he smiled because तारीफ हुआ ना उसका, तो स्माइल किया. Yamaraj, अच्छा. So what does this mean? What does this mean? You cannot beat death. Death is an integral part of our life. हम और death, like hand in hand. पैदा होते ही मृत्यु भी तय हो जाता है. एक्सपायरी डेट हर व्यक्ति का लगा हुआ है, दिखता नहीं, ये बात अलग. और लग गया हो तो जी नहीं पाएंगे. जैसे वो आदमी का 1 महीना बोला, he started plans to evade death. We always have plans to evade death. That's why we all buy policies, right? Medical policy, then LIC policy, this policy, that policy. Why? We know, inherently we know we are going to die. So जाते जाते कुछ भला तो हो जाएगा घर वालों का. So it's all, and that's how it's marketed. The bottom line is these 5 energies plus the 3 subtle energies, the 5 gross, 3 subtle, have to be used for achieving God. But if we try to use it for achieving anything else other than God, then we are in trouble. What's the trouble? We'll end up in a perpetual cycle of birth and death. अगर हम लोग ये 8 ingredients को यूज करके परा सुपीरियर एनर्जी को पकड़ने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं, और सुपीरियर एनर्जी ही पकड़ना पड़ेगा. Why we have to go for only the superior energy? What's the wrong in the inferior energy? When that is also made by God, it is God's energy. So why not I live in that or enjoy that? What's wrong in it?
It is limited to material world.
तो क्या है? I'll die and born again. No, I don't want to get out. It's all nice. I'm enjoying here. What's wrong?
It's not guaranteed that every time we will take the birth of human only.
तो क्या होगा? उल्टा है ना, अच्छा है ना, जॉब वॉब पे जाने का जरूरत नहीं, नो पंच इन नो पंच आउट, नो नीड ऑफ अर्निंग मनी, नो नीड ऑफ गोइंग टू स्कूल, नो डाइवोर्स. More benefits in the animal, only the benefits are more than in human beings. You know that. I don't want to mention more. Okay, tell me. Why? Come on. Yes, Priya. Huh?
This will be the cause of distress in the future.
We are already in distress only. हाँ, सुजाता माता जी बताइए. क्यों सुपीरियर एनर्जी या पराशक्ति के पीछे क्यों भागना है? यहाँ पे भी तो
Part and parcel of
हाँ, वी आर आवरसेल्व्स सुपीरियर. हम खुद सुपीरियर एनर्जी है ना. हाउ कैन वी गो फॉर इंफीरियर एनर्जी? Suppose you are working for a salary package of, let's say, example, 2 lakh per month salary. Can you do the work of a 10,000 or 15,000 rupees job? जो आदमी 10-15 हजार का नौकरी कर रहा है, let's say a peon or a courier boy, whatever, I mean anything, or no, I'll drive Swiggy, Zomato. Nice, मजा आता है. Without signal braking, I can run anywhere. Can you do that job? Why? When you are fit for doing a job of that level, you have to take that responsibility and do. We are basically superior energy. We are not basic. ये हमको अभी तक समझ में नहीं आया. We have not yet inculcated that in our understanding. The day we understand we are superior energy, all material enjoyments will seem inferior. Right from enjoying best jewelry, best dresses, best shoes, best of this, best of that. That's all secondary. Definitely you can't move around without clothes. You need to buy clothes. You cannot move around without, dressing yourself nicely. You dress up nicely. But that doesn't become the focus of your life. The focus should be superior energy, because you yourself are superior. So you have to ask for superior. You cannot go for inferior. Okay? Okay. With this, I'd like to close this session. Anybody has got any doubts, questions, can ask.